everyone. I have a quick thought for you today. I was just speaking with Susan Hengel, who is an experienced learning and development professional. We were talking about how Virtual Producer can really help enhance the virtual event and really help the virtual presenter focus on their training. This is what she said. I don't want to be an expert on the platform. I want to be an expert on my topic. Now, a lot of you trainers out there who are developing content or doing content that you're already comfortable doing, I know you're in that same position where you don't have the desire to be an expert on the virtual platform. This is why a virtual producer is crucial to you delivering a confident and energetic training like you did face-to-face. I can help you bring back that energy and that confidence by helping you set up your screen, by helping you feel comfortable on webcam, and by helping you focus solely on your topic during the presentation and delivering that topic to the audience. If you want to learn more, please reach out to me. I'd love to chat with you and get to know you more. Thanks, everyone. Have a good day.